Now, just a few helpful hints for developing the illusion. You need to start when the students are very young, when they're doing basic 1 and 2 and forward motion 1 and 2. Don't wait until they're working on their solos to introduce illusion stretching. So a good exercise is just stretching the hamstrings. So have the students lay on their back, pull the right knee up to your chest, hold it in there for 4 counts. Now grab your heel with your left hand and extend your leg. Pull your leg as close to your shoulder as you can and hold. Then change legs. Hold 2, 3, 4. Extend 2, 3, 4. Pull 2, 3, pull, and lower. Okay, then we have the développé into the needle. Okay, you're going to start with your right leg. Just pull it up to retiré. Your hands are going to be flat on the floor. Okay, pull your leg up to retiré. Straighten your supporting leg and extend. And keep pressing it up and change. Bring it in and go down. Now your left leg. In, retiré, and unfold. And back to retiré and down. And then we have some kick exercise that also helps for developing a needle and an illusion. Tendu derrière. We're going to do with 6 kicks and hold. Ready? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and hold 7 and 8. Change legs. And 1, toss, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and hold 7 and 8 and down. Thank you, girls. These are exercises you would do long before you start the actual turning part of the illusion. This is just to limber up the legs and get a nice high needle and a nice high kick, and the illusions will eventually be vertical, which is our goal. Okay.